Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Bon Jovi's This Ain't a Love Song from their 6th studio album, These Days. Alright, let's get started. The first thing he's doing, he's putting his finger on the 10th fret of the B and bending a whole step on the 9th fret of the G string. Pick it twice. And then he does a pull off from the 9th to the 7th on the G, then hammer on the 9th. Then hammer on from the 7th to the 9th fret of the A string. Then he plays double stop. What that is, that's two strings at the same time on the 7th fret of the D and G string. And then hammer on to the 9th fret of the D string. Back to the double stop to the 9th fret of the A string. Then hit the double stop again on the 7th frets. And then pull off from the 9 to the 7 on the D to the 9 on the A. Double stop again. Pull off 9 to 7 on the D. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave another video up there you can watch next. Then he bends on the 9th fret twice. And a hammer on the 7 to 9 on the G and 7 to 9 on the D string. Then there's a whole step bend of the B. Then release it. Then slide from the 9 to the 11th on the G string. Whole step bend on the 12th fret of the high E. Release it. Pull off to the 10th. Hammer on to the 12th. You'll pull off from the 12th to the 10th fret on the high E. The whole step bend on the 13th of the high E. 12th fret half step bend. The 12 on the B. Then he plays the 12th on the B string and the 10th on the high E string together. And then play the double stop on the 10th fret of the B and E. Hit the 11th fret on the G string. And the last thing he does, he slides from the 12th to the 14th fret.